Welcome everybody. In this tutorial you will learn how to create a new project within 200. So as you can see, we're logged into our 200 dashboard and we're inside of our project's overview page. So you can see here all of your projects. Currently we have one named 200, but we want to create a new one, so I click on Add New Project. Every project consists of a project name, a main server, a server 2, a server 3. Additionally, you can choose different alerting channels where we will notify you. For instance, an email, a phone number, Slack notifications, custom webhook. You also can set a description for your project. So this will be our test project. And for my main server, I choose Frankfurt because my clients live near Austria and Germany. And for server 2 and 3, I'll take Dublin and Stockholm. So as you can see, the main server is the server which pings your URLs, your endpoints, your uptime monitors. And server 2 and server 3 are confirming downtime if there is something wrong with main server Frankfurt, Germany. So, and then we choose the notification, and the notification should be office@200.com. Of course, you will set it to your email address if you want to get an alert to your email. You can also choose to add a phone number. Keep in mind that you have to add the country code, the dialing code without leading 0, and then your phone number first. You can add Slack hooks if you want to. You can click on the documentation up here and you will go to a new page called talks200.com, and there we have a complete tutorial on how to add a Slack webhook. Also how to set up Telegram notifications and how to set up a custom webhook. So let's click Create New Project. And you successfully created a new project and we're done here.